This is a quick tutorial on how to use the Sloot Chemical Safety or Chemical Inventory module. First, go to the Health, Safety, and Environmental webpage that you see here. Off to the far upper right-hand corner, you'll see the Sloot menu. Click on it. Once you click on it, you'll come to the Sloot webpage that we have here at HSE. You'll see a logo down here to sign in. You would need your CAUS credentials to sign in. Do so at this time. Once you are signed in, you will see this. This is the Sloot webpage. From there, off to the far left-hand corner, you'll see Chemical Safety. This is where you'll get your chemical inventory information. Click on it. Once you click on it, you'll see two modes up in the top: Inventories and Library. Go to the Library first. The library shows all chemicals on KAUST. You'll notice here there's a search bar. You can search for chemical name, CAS number, or an ID number. The ID number has been created by Sloot. I do not recommend that. But on the library webpage, you'll see all these different chemicals. And off on the right-hand side, you'll see a little icon that says SDS that's highlighted in purple. That's where you can click on the SDS. The SDS is connected to ChemWatch, which is a company that's partnered with Sloot and has over 30 million SDSs available. And the SDSs are actually very good. So in order to get a chemical, just click on any chemical here in the library. It only tells you basic information on the chemical. The ID that Sloot has provided, the chemical name, CAS number, shows the different risk types of the GHS categories of the different chemicals. Also in the upper right-hand corner, it says get SDS on email. If you click on that, you'll get that chemicals SDS sent to you via email in about 2 to 3 minutes. So we'll go back to the inventories. Now this is the inventory for every single lab. Now, when you go onto this web page, you'll only see the inventories that you're listed as an owner of. If you're not listed as an owner, you must contact your LSR to get you put down as an owner of that chemical inventory. In this case, it's the Professor Christian Jensen's lab in Building 2, 3630. My name is down here as an owner, therefore I'll be able to see it. Again, if your name is not listed as an owner, you will not be able to see an inventory. Contact your LSR. Once you decide to look at your inventory, click on it. Once you click on it, you'll see some basic information. When it was updated last, also the building, the floor, the space, and other location comments of your inventory. The inventory status is also on display here, saying pending EHS review, incomplete, complete, closed, or requires update. And there's other things you can do like approval date and inventory comments like being updated, saying it's being updated, or something else. As you scroll down this inventory, all the chemicals of your inventory do appear, as you see here. Also, you may export all your inventory's chemicals via here. Click on this button. It says export. That's downloaded as an Excel spreadsheet, or you can add a new chemical. Once you decide you want to look at a chemical somewhere in your inventory, click here. Click again, and you'll see the information for that individual chemical container. You may print a label here, or you may move it to a different inventory or somewhere else in your inventory. You may create a similar compound, but that's really for the chemical warehouse. Again, if you wish to get the SDS email to you, you can click here as well, and it'll send it to the email that you logged in under. The information on that chemical, it has the chemical name, the quantity, the units, container counts, again, building, floor, space, and other location comments. The location comments you may see here are the flock location, the LFO number, plus the barcode you may see is the information from the ERM system when it migrated to Sloot. Also, the manufacturer's information shows up, as well as an expiration date if you're so inclined to use that, and other details like CAS number and the GHS hazards of a chemical. At the very bottom, if you wish to remove the chemical from your inventory, you may do so by clicking on this. To get information on how to use the chemical inventory, go back to the HSE webpage, look under Services, click on Research Safety. And under the Research Safety webpage, scroll down to the point where you see Lab Safety. click on it as well. Under lab safety, you'll see main programs and resources. Look under resources. You'll see chemical inventories here. Click on it. On the chemical inventory webpage, we have basic information on how to log into Sloot, also instructions on how to use the chemical safety or chemical inventory module, plus a support website that Sloot hosts and is actually quite good, where you can suggest new features, get technical support, report a bug, suggest improvements. Further down, it shows the roles and responsibilities of the Sloot system here at KAUST via HSE, the chemical warehouse distribution services, and end users, and also has other useful information at the bottom. The part that may be very interesting is the Sloot Chemical Inventory Naming Convention. Please read this and understand this, as we do not want people changing the naming convention of the inventories that they have. This is a good web page to look at to understand why the different chemical inventories are named the way they are. Thank you very much for coming to this tutorial. If you have any questions, please contact HSC at hsc@kaust.edu.sa. Thank you.